One of my favorite tools in Photoshop is Iris Blur, and I use this tool for many projects. This tool is under Filter section, Blur Gallery, and Iris Blur. So the tool is on the picture, and this is the center. This is blur leveling, and I can make the up to maximum. If I do that, you probably see all shape of circle with the dots on it. There are 4 same dots, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and also there is one diamond shaped dot in here. Inside of this circle there is another circle. In here you may not see the circle because of the picture, but you may able to see the dots. First one, second one, third one, and fourth. So this is again oval shape of circle. Let's start from the center. If I click the center, I can move this tool anywhere in the picture. I can adjust the blurring from here or from here. I can move inner circle dots together, either close to center or away from the center. While I am doing this, outer circle and dots are not moving. Between center and first circle dots are clear area. Then between second circle dots and outer circle dots are blurring gradually, and out of second circle is the 100% blurring. I can also move these inner circle dots individually by clicking Alt button and then move this dot individually. While I am doing this, the outer circle and dots are not moving. This is also available for other dots. Let's have a look this one. For example, again press Alt key and then move the dots slowly. Let's have a look outer circle and dots. If I bring the mouse, one of the dots in here, I can make this circle larger or smaller. While I am doing this, the inner circle and dots are also moving. I can move up or down. This is also available for other dots. For example, if I choose this dot in here, I can move up or down, turn right or left. Let's have a look diamond shaped dot. This dot gives the second circle a different shape. If you move this dot, you can see that now the circle shape change. I can bring back to the normal oval shape by moving this diamond shaped dot. My focus on this picture was the retina of the eye, and I'm just going to complete these tasks by doing, first of all, moving the individual dots to around the retina, then arrange the blurring level. So I'm just pressing the Alt key and then move the dots a little bit in here. Then second one in here, press Alt key, move the dot. And then the third one, press Alt key, move the dot. I think the fourth dot is on the right place. So I'm just going to go to right hand side and arranging the blurring. At the moment, the blurring is on the maximum level. I can leave in the maximum level, or I can move to the less blurring, for example, this way. I think I am going to go a little bit higher on this picture and then make a like this, and the task for this picture is completed for me. And this is the way I use iris blur on Photoshop.